Well, what I do is represent people that are hurt. I'm board certified, have 2 board certifications. One's nationally, one by the Texas Board of Legal Specialization. And that's all I do is represent hurt folks. I don't represent the insurance companies, big business. I limit my practice to helping people that have been hurt. I've been a lawyer since 1985, and what drives me to go to work every day is battling for the little guy. I grew up, my daddy was a Gulf oil jobber. He delivered gasoline, never had a lot of money, and so that's the way I grew up, with the little guy, my dad, and he always taught me that, you know, the big corporations and those that have all the money aren't necessarily the ones that, you know, should have all the rights, that they'll run over you, and you need to always remember where you came from. So that's what drives me to go out and help the ordinary guy against the big companies. Started working with my older brother, and when I was a young lawyer, we had all kinds of cases, from medical malpractice to product cases where dangerous products had hurt somebody, to negligent security cases, to big trucks run over people, car wreck cases. You name it, I have done it. What I bring to the table is the ability to go into a courtroom when there's a dispute and to stand up for people. It doesn't matter what kind of dispute it is. I've been there. Because of my experience, I'm often asked by some of the big media outlets to give my professional opinion about whether there's a case there. And if something's gone wrong, then what kind of expert they will need, and how I see the case might turn out, how I might foresee a jury deciding a case like that. And so that happens from time to time. I work on what's called a contingency fee basis. So I'll listen to the case, get an idea of whether there's a case there, and then I'll take on the case and advance the money on the case, and won't get paid unless I get a recovery for my client. And in the rare instance where the client ends up not getting any money, which is very, very rare, they don't owe me anything. It'd be an honor to represent you if you've got a legitimate case. I'll hit the ground running, and I promise you, you'll get the best justice that the law allows.